Good morning. Welcome back to Moving Vlogs with me, Ash, and
Ella.
With her Minnie Mouse cup. It's 11 o'clock this morning. We have just stayed at home today because Fraser went and opened up for the guys going into tile. So the tiling's getting done. The outside lights are getting done, which is really good because the place is actually quite dark outside when it's night time. There's not really a lot going on. It's quite eerie actually, so Fraser said we really could do with getting some outside lights. It's like for security more than anything as well. So yeah, got some outside lights done this morning. The guy was there within an hour and just did it all then and there. And what else is happening? Tiles are going down, so we are going to go and just kind of stay out the road this morning. I don't want to be getting in the way of the guys getting on with doing some work, so we are going to go and see if we can try Minnie Mouse cup, try and get Ella a new bed because she's not got a mattress. So we're going to go and try and get Ella a mattress because what did we build last night, Els?
My bed.
Your bed. How good is it?
Good.
Are you really looking forward to showing everybody it? Yeah? How big is it?
So big, same as you.
So big, same as me. You wanted the same bed as me, didn't you? So we're going to show you Ella's bed today, but first and foremost, going to go and meet up with Charlie and Fra, who are away getting Fra's car washed, and we're going to see if we can try and get Ella a mattress. So let's go. It's bedtime. Oh, is it night time? Oh, night, I know, jump in. Hey, is it night time?
Morning.
Oh, good morning. Charlie's running away as usual. Right, see mummy like these big ones, Els? Those ones?
Oh, I like them.
So there's the kind of velvety ones, right? What do they call them? Yeah, large velvet. Yeah, large velvet, or there's velour. What one do you prefer?
I prefer those.
They're a tenner and they're bigger.
I prefer those ones, Mommy. I prefer those.
I think those are better than the ones. You prefer the other colour?
That one there's light and that one's dark.
I know, but they're two different colours.
Alright, I prefer that light colour.
They're light.
Yeah, it's fine then.
Really, look at that concentration face. Look at his son. Alright. How's your toasty? All done? Amazing. So I've just came home and we're in the middle of doing Ella's bed. Look at that. It's gorgeous. This is from a company on Instagram called eSuperSaver. It's amazing. We've got one for our bed as well, so I'm going to leave a link to their website and everything. They're so affordable, but this one is the colour barley. It's a suede effect one, and that's the 150 centimetre sorry, high backboard. So we're just making up our bed. This is the plain bedding that I picked up from Primark with the frilly little bit at the top here. It's actually really nice material, it feels nice. And then we've got these pillows that are getting the pillow protectors on. Fraser's just done that one and then he's putting them in the case. Then we've got a couple of display pillows and then little cushions for the front. So we're just getting on with doing that just now, and then I'll show you when it's all finished. And down here all the tiles are just going down just now. They look amazing. They look like kind of marble, just a very faint marble vein through them. They're looking good. Right guys, here's the situation. So Ella's bedspread and bedding doesn't match the rest of the room, which is very annoying. Doesn't match the curtains. I don't know how I've managed to like make such a terrible oversight, but anyway, I need to go and return this stuff, and I'm really hoping they're going to take it back because I don't have the receipt, and like some of the things have got tags off them, but it's not been used, so I'm hoping they'll let me exchange. I'll let you know how I got on with that. And then I need to find a bedspread, something like light and kind of pearlescent, maybe just like a white one or something. I don't know, so wish me luck. I'm going into B&M and I'm going to Walk Brothers, so I'm just hoping they're going to take it back. I'm so annoyed. I'm actually in such a bad mood over it, but yeah, let's pray for Ash's good mood again. Great success. No. Yeah, that's going to go. Oh, thank God for that. Oh my God, I can literally breathe a sigh of relief now. That looks so nice. Are you excited? Keep your eyes closed, keep them 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 closed. Look at your bed.
I love it! And on the bed on that
What do you think?
I love it.
Like your cushions and all that?
Yeah. I love it. Oh.
Go and tell Nana. Right, so update in the bedroom is that all the tiles are down into the cupboards, like that. And then also in here. Looks amazing. And then another thing we did is put this little sensor in, if it works. So that when we look in for our wardrobe, for our clothes, that will turn on. We're not completely finished yet with tiling in the bathroom, that's still needing done tomorrow to cut around here, but it looks so nice against the other tiles. It looks lovely. Do you like it, Charlie? It's nice, isn't it? And I mean, so far Ella's room is definitely the one that is the most finished. So this is from Dunelm. No, it's not. This is from Watt Brothers. This is from Matalan. I'm just going to put down her blind for the night. Charlie's got his aeroplane. Show you too. You got your aeroplane? Charlie, say hello. Hello. No? Yeah, get that one. That's what Mom got. What is it? £18. They're the new ones. Nice one. How are you? You good?
What am I in your house?
What, that one? That toilet brush? Yeah. You think so?
Yeah.
So we're just in Matalan having a wee wander. These are lovely. I wish I'd seen these before we got the bath towels.
I got toys.
They're gorgeous. Yeah, you're holding on to that, aren't you, just now?
Yes.
Need to see how the behaviour is.
Yeah.
And then look at all the pink and greys together. It's so nice.
Where's the pink and grey?
Because you ended up stealing the 2 cushions from yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we had to get some more. What plunger did you end up getting then? Let's see.
Mommy.
That's better. I'm just thinking if they need a toothbrush holder. Oh, bath boards? No. Do you think you're going on your holidays?
Yeah.
Do you? Yeah. Charlie's just on the phone just now, but we've picked up these cushions. We've got the marble one, that's £8. The wee kind of brownie taupe coloured one, that's also, that's £6. And then this little one for the seat, that'll look really nice. And then more of the pink ones as well.
Yes.
You coming, holiday girl? You coming? I think we'll come back in and look at all these wee things because these are cute. Hello, so today's vlog's been a bit all over the place and I've actually decided to just club it together with yesterday's because we got a bit kind of sidetracked. My camera battery kept running out and yeah, yesterday was just a very unprepared day. But today we have gone back to Matalan. I've got some more cushions because I used 2 that were downstairs on Ella's bed like I showed you. So I've went again and got another 2. Although I realised that actually I only need 1 other cushion down there because they're quite big on the couch and it ends up looking as if there's not enough space to sit because I want to layer a few of them together. So what I've done is I've put 2 on already and I'm going back to get 2 fluffy ones for in the middle. So yeah, I'm happy with how it's looking so far. I'll show you when I go back. They've tiled the upstairs bathroom, they're tiling downstairs as well. And what else has changed? Oh, my bin, I put I'm so excited about the bin, it's so pathetic. But I've put the, that smelled weird. I put the batteries in the bin and it's one of the ones where you press it and it opens, you press it and it closes, but you can also do like that and it opens itself if you've got dirty hands, which is amazing. So I'll show you that when I go back. And what else? I have to go and pick up my light from Nick's, that's in as well. So I'm going to go and get that from Nick's. I'm going to go to Matalan and get some more cushions and I need to take back a TV bracket because we ended up fitting our own one, so they're going to refund the price of the bracket and also the installation as well because obviously we didn't use it. What else have I got to do? I need to go and wash the car. Charlie's having a nap and Fraser is in the house with the tilers just now, so that's fine. I can go and do all of this stuff. And I think that's pretty much it. We just need to get cracking on now. I think that if we kind of keep going as we are, then probably tomorrow we'll be able to stay in the house. I think that they said tonight they're going to try and grout the upstairs tiles, so that will be the bathroom, the ensuite and the bedroom, and then downstairs that needs to set before they can grout that. So yeah, it means that probably tomorrow if they grout the downstairs, they say it takes like 12 hours to properly dry out, then it means we can probably stay tomorrow night or Saturday. So yeah, because this today is Thursday the 25th of October, so we've only had the keys for 6 days at this point, but we're definitely moving on really quickly. Another thing I wanted to tell you about was our bed. So as you've seen from the other vlog earlier on, we ended up getting 2 beds from eSuperSaver online, and unfortunately the one we got for our room was just the wrong colour. I don't know how we managed to have such a bad oversight, right, but I've never seen a grey look so blue in all my life. I took it in and it's not their fault, it's my fault, 100% my fault, right? I took the bed into the room, or Fraser took it into the room rather, and it just looked like duck egg blue. It wasn't silver anymore, it wasn't grey, it was duck egg blue. So we need to go for something darker, and we're thinking probably something like a really dark charcoal colour might work really nice. So we're getting some samples sent out, that they should hopefully come today, and yeah, we just need to get our new bed picked out and sorted, because that would just never have went in its life. There is no way it would have ever gone in that room. So probably something towards like a slate grey. It's like 50 shades of grey, literally. This is what this is, it's an issue, 50 shades of grey. We don't know the right colour, but yeah, they're going to send out some more samples. I can definitely pick it, and then they're going to swap them when they bring the new one. They're going to take the old one away because it's still in all the cellophane and everything. But anyway, enough chat, let's get back to Matalan. They're going to be sick of the sight of me in here just now, and let's get some more cushions, shall we? I've just come into Next and I pure want this little family of giraffes. How nice are they? £26. Right, so the cushions are a great success. So these are all from Matalan, every single one of them. These are the, I'm sure these are the velour ones, not the velvet ones. These are the velour. Then this is the one from the bed range. This isn't actually for in living rooms, but I really want a nice small one, and Fraser actually spotted these, so I can't take full credit for them. And then, do you know what, by the way, see those ones, they actually look quite brown in the shop, but they're the exact same as the sofa. See the darkest part in the sofa? It's exactly the same. Really like them. So I think they were 6, they were 10, and they ones were 8. And then I went back to get 2 fluffy ones because I felt like it was too much to have any more of these ones across. So we've got 2 kind of fluffy ones, and then this little circle one, which to be honest with you, I just couldn't resist it. It's really cute, and that was £10 for that one. And then I went and picked up my pipe floor lamp, and Next and Fraser's just putting it together just now. And that's the shade for it, so that goes really nicely, even with the curtains as well. So it'll come together quite nicely. I like the way you put them. We got these wee coasters as well. We wanted to get one of each of our initials, but I couldn't find them online, and they never had an A or an F in the shop. So I got an E for Ella and a C for Charlie, and these were £3 each, which I thought was really good value. But they match in lovely with the marble that we've got already. Screw on. That's actually really nice, isn't it? Quite rustic. Because that's like a battered metal as well for that wee table lamp. Oh, I've not got a bulb. Aww. First Netflix. Do you want a blanket? Right, look, Mummy's got a blanket. 1, 2, 3. Oh, cozy, cozy. Cozy, cozy.
Good morning. Cozy, cozy.
Morning, Brad. I know. Isn't it wonderful? Good morning. Good morning.
Today has been a busy one. The tiles have all been put down and they're starting to get grouted. My lights are up in the living room, I'm going to show you in a second, and I've also got my lights up in the hall as well. But it's really moved quite quickly. I feel like I've not managed to show much today just because there's been so many people in and out. So let me just show you the lights first of all. They two are just sitting having a little chill out watching Shrek, aren't you? Yeah? So let me show you the cushions first actually. So we've obviously got the pink ones and then the grey ones and then the marble. 2 fluffies. Then this little circle one which I really love. I think it's so cute. Then we've got that one there, the same as behind the other side, and then the marble there. Then my lamp is up in the corner. like this. And in fact, I don't even think I showed you these bar stools that I got. These are from myfurniture.com and I think they look amazing. They're all like upholstered at the back and they've got the buttons on them as well. So they look really good there for going on to the breakfast bar. And here is my light, my big ceiling light. It looks really nice. I'll show you from another angle. Very cute. And here are all the tiles in the kitchen diner. I'll try and get one up close so you can really see it. It's like a proper marble, it's lovely. And they'll all get grouted tomorrow in a lighter kind of colour than what you can see obviously, because it's just the kind of floorboard behind it. Bin's opening itself. And this is the bin that I was talking about where you can like do this and it opens, or you can just like press it, and then in the bottom part you can do your recycling like that. Tiles are all the way through to the door. And then in here. And then the ceiling lights, you like them, Fra? They've got covers for the bottom, but you just screw it off and slide it in and then screw it back on again, but we need to put our bulbs in. And the other light was already made up, so the guy was like, I'll just leave that on and you can put your own bulbs in. So that looks like that. So it's later on now, it's 7:45 and I'm afraid we had to leave there in a bit of a hurry tonight because Charlie was having none of it. He was so annoyed and I just had to get him out. So I managed to get back to my mum and dad's house because I thought both of the toilets were out of the bathrooms. In fact, all the toilets were out while the tiling was getting done. So if anybody needed to go, they would have to like go in a pan or the sink or something. So that was just a non-starter. So I decided to just call it quits. We left there just before 7, about 6:30 or 7 o'clock, and now I've come back to my mum's. We're going to have a little movie night, we're going to have snacks, and we're going to watch Practical Magic, which if you've not watched that film before, you need to go and watch it. It's our favourite to watch together. So I'm going to go just now, I'm going to end the vlog here and then start a new one tomorrow and show you the bits that I never managed to show in this one. But I hope you're enjoying watching these so far. If you are, then please leave a little comment below and tell me what you're enjoying seeing more of. Do you like us going out and like shopping for bits and pieces, or do you like to see the kind of like before and after of the sort of like renovation, not a renovation, but the kind of decoration process? Let me know and I will see you tomorrow.